Multiplication. Oh, that's meant for kids. Learning tables and applying. As simple as that. But friends, very often in different competitive exams, you have to solve mathematical problems where there are big numbers to be multiplied, and that too within very short time. So those who are preparing for CGL, banking services, railways, the corporates or any other exam, this video is just ideal for you. I hope you have watched our previous videos and our tricks are definitely helping you. Those who haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Click on the bell icon, like and share our videos.
Hello everyone. Today our new topic, multiplication by specific number. One example. Say 1, 2, 3 and you have to multiply by 11. In a normal rule, 11 into 3, 33, 3 carry 3. 11 to the 22 carry 3, 25. 5 carry 2. 11 was 11 and 2, 13. In our childhood we have done 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 11. So 1, 2, 3 cross 1, 2, 3. We can write 3. 3 and 2, 5. 2 and 3, 3 and 1. Your answer 1, 3, 5, 3. The answer is 7. Now we have to add out the new rule. 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 11. Now how many ones are there? Two number of 1. We have to put 1 0 right side and 1 0 left side. Again, how many ones are there? Two number of 1. So we have to put 1 0 right side, 1 0 left side. As we have two number of 1, start from 3, we have to add 2 digit. 3 plus 0 is a 3. Then 2 plus 3 is a 5. Then 1 plus 2 is a 3. Then 0 plus 1 is a 1. Again, two number of 1, so we put 1 0 right side, 1 0 left side. Starting from here, we have to add two numbers. 3 plus 0 is a 3, 2 plus 3 is a 5, 1 plus 2 is a 3, 1 plus 0 is a 1. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. If I multiply by 11, rule same, put 1 0 right side, put 1 0 left side. Start from here, 4 plus 0 is a 4. We have to add two numbers because there are two 1. 3 plus 4 is a 7. 2 plus 3 is a 5, no carry. 1 plus 2 is a 3 and 0 plus 1 is a 1. Your answer 1, 3, 7, 4. Say 5, 6, 9 multiplied by 11. I put 1 0 here, I put 1 0 here. 9 plus 0 is a 9. 6 plus 9 is a 15, 5 carry 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Again carry 1, 1. 1 plus 5 is a 6. So your answer 6, 2, 5, 9. Again, multiply by 11. Put 1 0 here, put 1 0 here. 9 plus 0 is a 9. No carry. 6 plus 9, 15, 5. Carry 1. Carry here. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2. Carry 1. 1. 1 plus 5 is a 6. Your answer 6, 2, 5, 9. Now practical example. 57.39 multiplied by 1.1. Rule same, I write 5739 multiplied by 11. Put 1 0 here, another 0 here. 9 plus 0 is a 9. 3 plus 9, 12, 2, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11, 1, carry 1. 5, 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13, 3, carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So now, you have to put decimal point, 3 place from right side, 1, 2, 3. So your answer, 63.129. In your future, when you are going for the application in the basic maths, in your normal mathematics, every moment you have to do this type of multiplication and you have to take advantage if any number multiplied by 11. Next topic, any number multiplied by 111. Let us consider 1, 2, 3, 4 is a number, and you have to multiply by 1, 1, 1. There are 3 ones. When there are 2 ones, we put 1 0 right side, 1 0 left side, and add 2 digits. When there are 3 1, we have to put 2 0 right side, 2 0 left side, and add 3 digits. Start from here. 4 plus 0 is a 4. 4 plus 3 plus 0 is a 7. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is a 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is a 6. 0 plus 1 plus 2 is a 3. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is a 1. There is no carry. Again, multiply by 1, 1, 1. There are 3 number of 1. We put 2 0 left side, 2 0 right side. So start from here. Add 3 digits because there are 3 number of 1. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 4 plus 0 is a 7. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is a 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is a 6. 0 plus 1 plus 2 is a 3. Now 0 plus 1 is a 1. Your answer 136974. If they are giving 123 multiplied by 11.1, your decimal point will be 2 placed from right side. So you put decimal point here. So your answer 1369.74. You have to multiply in this way. You can minimize your time. Next example. 23.081 multiplied by 1.11. Same rule. We can write 23081 multiplied by 111. You have to put decimal point 5 place from right side because there is 2, there is 3. Now first do 2 0 right side, 2 0 left side. Start from here, 3 number 1. So 1 plus 0 is a 1. 8 plus 1 plus 0 is a 9. 0 plus 8 plus 1 is a 9. 3 plus 8 plus 0 is a 11, 1. Carry 1. 3, 2, 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 and 0, 6. No carry. This is 5. This is 2. So now 2, 5, 6, 1, 9, 9, 1. And you have to put decimal point 5 place from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer 25.619991. Our next example, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4 multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 1. Remember, when we multiply by 11, put 1 0 right side, 1 0 left side, add 2 digits. When you multiply 3, 1, put 2 0 right side, 2 0 left side, add 3 digits. When multiply by 1, 1, 1, 1, we put 3 zeros right side and 3 zeros left side and add 4 digits. Start from here. 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is a 4. 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 equal 9. 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 0. 8 and 4, 12, 0. 12, 2, carry 1. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15, 5, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 2, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7, no carry. 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 is a 3. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is a 1. 1, 3, 7, 2, 5, 2, 9, 4. If I put decimal point here, so your decimal point will be 4 times from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your answer 1372.5294. Now if you know these tricks, you can minimize your time for the top level multiplication, which is mostly required for your coming arithmetic, data integration and mensuration also. Our next topic, how to multiply a number by 9, by 99, by 999, by 9999. These are specific multiplication. If we multiply by this number, we can get some advantage. Say 1, 2, 3 and 4. Multiply by 9. Remember, instead of 9, we can write 10 minus 1. Instead of 99, we can write 100 minus 1. Instead of 999, we can write 1000 minus 1. Apply the rule. 1, 2, 3, you have to multiply by 9. So put 1 0 in right side. Shift 1 place right side. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, then subtract. You can get the result. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 multiply by 9, 9. I write 2 0 right side. Shift the number 2 place right side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then subtract. You can get the result. 1, 2, 3, 4 multiply by 9, 9, 9. I put 3 zeros here. 3 place right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4 multiply by 9, 9, 9, 9. I put 4 zeros here. Shift 4 place right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Subtract. We can get the same result. So instead of multiply, we put 0 and subtract from the given number. We can easily find out what is the result after multiplying by 5. What is the result after multiplying by 9, 9. What is the result after multiplying by 9, 9, 9 and 9, 9, 9, 9. They can give the number in the different ways. Let us consider ultimate they are giving the number in terms of decimal. When we are discussing about that data sufficiency, in every moment you have to give this type of problem. So 1, 2, 3.4 multiplied by 0.9. 1, 2.34 multiplied by 9.9. 1, 2, 3.4 multiplied by 99.9. So whatever your answer, put decimal point 2 side from right side, 2 place from right side. What is the answer? 3 place from right side. What is the answer? 2 place from right side. So your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of 9, put 1, 0. Shift right side 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then subtract. Whatever your result, put decimal point 2 place from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply by 9, 9. Put 2 zeros. 2 place right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever your answer, put 3 place from right side decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply by 9, 9, 9. So 3 zeros here. I shift 3 places 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus whatever your result, you have to put 1 and 2 place decimal point from right side. You get the same result. Our next topic, most important for each and every exertion, because we have to multiply any number by 5, by 25, by 125, by 625. Now examiner most likely number, the number end is 5. Say they are giving question 12.34 multiplied by 0.5, 23.49 multiplied by 2.5, 18.37 multiplied by 1.25, 62.39 multiplied by 6.25. Just observe. This number we can control 5, 25, 125 and 625. This is most important derivation, most important shortcut techniques for Vedic maths to capture minimum time to solve your big problem, large problem. Now, one by one you have to gradually develop what is the rule behind it and how to do this thing. Now, previous time, 1, 2, 3, 4, from our childhood we can do the multiplication. What is the rule? 5 4s are 20, 0 in hand, 2. 5 3s are 15 and 2, 17, 7, carry 1. 5 2s are 10 and 1, 11, 1, carry 1. 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. Now, in your computer, if I multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, multiply by 5. Remember, in this case, we have multiplied 4 times. We have added 4 times because 4 5s are 20, 0 carry 2. 5 3s are 15 and 2 17. So 4 times multiplied, 4 times addition. You got 8 operation. To do one operation, you need 2 seconds. So 8 into 2 seconds, normal man can do in 16 seconds. Now computer or calculator. I put 1, calculator thinking, 2 thinking, 3 thinking, 4 thinking, into thinking, 5 thinking, equal to, now thinking is over. I push the calculator 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to push 7 bottom, we need 7 into 2, 14 seconds. So we feel calculator do faster than man. Man can do in 16 seconds, calculator can do 14 seconds. If I say, this is called operation. If you say your mother cook 4 different items, mother will take 2 hours to eat it. If you tell your mother cook only one item, mother will say half an hour is enough. So you have to minimize your operation. If I can minimize my operation, we can minimize my time. Now, what to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. If any number multiplied by 10 and divided by 2, ultimately number is multiplied by 5. If any number multiplied by 10 and divided by 2, ultimately number is multiplied by 5. Now what is the rule? Put 1 0 means I multiply by 10 and make it up. 12, make it up 6. 34, make it up 17 and 0. Just observe your answer. This answer is 6170. Your answer is 6170. Again I am trying. 1, 2, 3, 4 multiply by 5. As because 5 means 5 to the power 1, I have to put 1 0. Logic. Now start from here. Make it up 6. Make it up 70 and put. These are the 4 operations. 1 time up, 2 time up and put 3. 4 time operation. So 4 into 2, man can do this operation in 8 seconds, whereas calculator do 14 seconds. General person can do 16 seconds. We have to minimize the time. Now next application. Let us consider I am giving the number, all are not so easy. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 5. You can say, sir, you can take easy number 12, make it up, 70, 37, make it up, and 0. I put over here. If I say 3, 5, 9, 7, 5, 3, 9, 9, and now multiply by 5. Rule 7. Same rule, put 1 0 here. Observe, you can control 3, you can control 35, no problem. Whatever you can control 35, it is an odd number. Take previous even number and make it up. Previous even number is 34 and make it up 17. You have 1, again 19, odd number. Previous even number is 18 and make it up 9. Again carry 1. 1, 7, odd number 17. Previous even number 16, make it up 8. Again 1, 15, again odd number. Previous even number 14, make it up 7. Again 30, so previous even number 12, make it up 6. 19, previous even number 18, make it up 9. 19, previous even number 18, make it up 9. And now 10, make it up 5. Your answer is 1798769995. So you can control the large problem by the help of same rule. Again I am telling 3759 multiplied by 5. 5 means 5 to the 1, I put only 1 0. Make it up. 36, even number, make it up 18. 15, odd number, previous even number 14, make it up 7. 19, odd number, previous even number 18, make it up 9. Now 10, make it up 5. So your answer is 18795. If I go for this number, 2734 multiplied by 5. We are mixing even and odd number. Put rule same, put 1 0 here. I can divide by 2, 1. 7 odd number, previous even number 6, divide by 2, 3. Carry 1. Previous even number 12, make it up 6. 14. So it is even number, make it up 7, 0. Your answer is 13670. Now observe the rule. When a number multiplied by 5, 5 means 5 to the 1. Rule, after the number put 1 0, make it up. Number multiplied by 25 means number multiplied by 5 square. Put 2 zeros because power is 2. Divide by 2 and 2 means 2 times up. Number multiplied by 125 means number multiplied by 5 to the power cube. So number put 3 zeros because power is 3. 3 times up. Number multiplied by 625 means number multiplied by 5 to the power 4. So number put 4 zeros, 4 times up. Now observe, 1, 2, 3 and 4 multiplied by 625. You know 625 means 5 to the power 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 zeros. 4 times up, 1 time, 6, 70, 0, 0, 0, 0. You have 1 time. Again half, 60, make it up 30. 170, odd number, 60, previous even number, make it up 8. 1010, make it up 5. 1, 2, 3, second time. Third time, 30 divided by 2 is a 15. 8 divided by 2, 4. 50 divided by 2, 25. 0, 0. There is no rule. You can control 30, you can control 3 only. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 50 divided by 2 equal 25. Which is compulsory, we can take the pair. The third step. Fourth step again. 15. Previous even number is 14, 7. 14. Even by 2 is 7. 2 by 2 is 1. 50 by 2 is 25. So 0. Your answer 771250 when a number 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 625. Now observe which the problem we are going to face. 13.37 multiplied by 12.5. So your number 1337 multiplied by 125. Whatever your answer, put decimal point 3 place from right side. How many? These are 2125 means 5 cube. So you have to put 3 zeros here. And you have to make 3 times half. 13. Previous even number 12, make it up 6. 12, make it up 6. 16, make it up 8. 10, make it up 5. 1, 2. First time. Second time. 66, 33. 8 by 2 is 4. 50 by 2 is 25. This is the second time. Third time. 33. 32 is an even number. 16. 14 divided by 2, 7. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 50 divided by 2, 25. So now your answer 167125. And you have to put decimal point 1, 2, 3 place from right side. So 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 167.125. Practice at your home. Develop this skill. In future, when you are entering in the subject, chapter wise, you have to apply all this method for the shortcut your problem.